Alright, so in front of me is a package. No, it did not arrive like this. I just tore off the label, which is probably very obvious. So I'm just gonna finish tearing it up now so I can just get to the goods. And I have my scissors here just in case I need a little assistance, which I do. Is that a packing slip? Yes, I think it is. So let's pull that out. Okay, maybe not yet. I thought that packing slip. Never mind. So that's the first case. Actually, where is the packing slip? Never mind. I thought there would be a packing slip somewhere here, but I guess not. So okay, instead we have the Samsung Galaxy S5 cases, and yes, I'm going to actually test it. Where's the phone? I had the phone somewhere close by, and now I don't even know where it is. Yeah, that's not good, because I literally had it somewhere. Where did I put it? Okay, you know, I need to pause this video until I can find it. So I finally found the phone. Now let's cut into it. No, before I do just that, I would like to have a word about Cledio. Now, Cledio, or Cladio, however you pronounce it, there's something going on with the website. Like, I tried back in, I don't remember the exact one. I think it was, let's just say it was either June, July, spring, summer, and the website keeps saying checkout system disabled. Now, to be honest with you, I'm under the impression that it's honestly been like that perhaps for years. I tried sending him an email, nothing. But it begs the question, okay, so if they've been out of business, why haven't I seen anything publicly posted? Kind of like what happened with, I believe it was Sadio. Like, at least they publicly announced that for Cledio. I have no idea what is actually going on with them. I mean, it's a shame if they actually are out of business, because I really like the way their cases look. In order to get this, I obviously had to get this off of eBay, and I haven't mentioned that in this video. So yes, both of these I got off of eBay. I'll leave the seller's name on the screen right there. And let's try them out now. So, first thing I'm going to do is this one. Oh yes, and about this one. You've seen a lot of brands out there that have this exact same case, but it has different names. Like, I've seen Instant, I've seen Najeby, I've seen Buddy Box, and a bunch of others. So it begs a very serious question. Out of all of these cases that look just like this, which one is the real deal? Like, who actually had this look first? Well, I do not know. The only thing that I know is that I like it. It works for me. I have a case just like that for my 1520. I have a case like that for my iPhone. I would have gotten a case like that for my BlackBerry, my 950 XL, if they were still in stock, but they're not, so I cannot. So now I'm just gonna... How do you deal with this again? Like, how do you get this off? Like, I remember this being kind of difficult. Okay, never mind, not so difficult. After all, ooh. Okay, I definitely don't want to break it. So I have to be careful, because if I break it, then that's not going to be good. That's going to be very bad. That's going to be sad. So I have to be very careful not to break my case. Okay, so now let's line that up. Okay, so that looks good. All right, and now we line that up, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, cool, eh? Okay. Actually, wait, can I do gaming like this, or is this not a good angle? Actually, no, this is not exactly a good angle, because if I try to game, it's gonna look awkward like that. And I mean, when you're gaming, you have to keep it like this, so... No, that is not going to work. Anyway, it's not a gaming video. I don't know why I even bothered doing that, but it's just something I kind of thought about. And the reason why I thought about it is because Asphalt 9 in particular on this phone, unfortunately, is extremely laggy after about 5 to 10 minutes of play. So what you have to do is you have to have like a portable fan just pointed at the phone so that it can keep it cool and allow you to game for longer periods of time. And why am I fiddling with this when I can simply just edit this out? Well, because I just want to, so I can show you exactly how to put it together and how to take it apart. So now that that is done, we can push this off to the side and we can check this case out. The case with a serious identity crisis. Like, I do not know who it belongs to, but I sure do like it. Okay, this feels very familiar. This feels a bit more like that other one that I got for my 950 XL. The Instance feels a bit... Yeah, I'm totally doing this on purpose because honestly, this sounds like wings flapping. And if you thought something else, well, you need to wash your mind with soap and warm water. Alright, so now that I'm finished flapping the case like a goofus, we can put it on, make sure it's lined up with that beautiful headphone jack. The headphone jack. The thing that Samsung has idiotically killed in their latest flag. Honestly, I think like it kind of begs the question, are they going backwards at this point? Like, sure, the processors are getting faster, the cameras are getting better, but what have we lost along the way? Quite a bit. Okay, this is not a hardware rant, but it's just something that had to come up while I was talking about the headphone jack. It's like, wow, man, why can't these flagships just bring that back? Like, they want like $1,000, $2,000 to the really big phones with like 500 gigabytes of storage, but yet still they're there and getting rid of all these hardware features. You can't be doing that. You can't be asking for that much money, and yet you're just taking away all these hardware features. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Now we're gonna put it in the holster. Okay, I don't think I put it together all that good, but I think it should do the job. So that's that. Just like belt. Okay, that's enough of that. And now I can call it quits with this video.